Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use your iPhone stolen device protection. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you're going to do is simply go ahead and head into your settings, and then you want to go down to Face ID and passcodes right over here. Simply go ahead and enter your password. And then you're going to be taken to this page where what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on stolen device protection and turn this on. You can simply go ahead and turn it on when away from familiar location. Now, how it works is that the feature alters its protection based on whether you are at a familiar location like your home or workplace or somewhere else when away from familiar places for actions like changing Apple ID, phone password, turning off last mode, or resetting the phone. The system requires a Face ID or Touch ID scan. Passcodes will not work as a backup. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.